I tried dropshipping as a complete beginner from scratch for 30 days. I've noticed a bunch of comments on my recent videos claiming that dropshipping just doesn't work anymore in 2024. So I'm here today to find out if that's actually true. I'm also gonna take it a step further by starting from the very beginning, just like a beginner. I'm setting myself a small budget of only $100 and I'll only be using my phone and computer, which I believe is doable for most of you watching. Plus, I won't rely on my existing connections, social media following, or any old accounts for advertising. Now, the first step that I did was finding my winning product. There's many ways to do this, but I chose to go with a paid method. The reason for this is because usually using a paid method gives you the winning product without you having to do any work. Regardless, I'm gonna go into both the free and paid methods of finding your winning product. So the platform that I used for product research is called Minea. I'll be dropping a link in the description below along with a discount that gets you 20% off when you sign up. Now let's get into Minea's dashboard, which has been upgraded to Minea V2. They've recreated the design and user interface, making it significantly better and more user-friendly than before. The interface is now smoother, more intuitive, and packed with useful features that are faster and more powerful. Minea V2 gives you access to lists of winning products for platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and even from other e-commerce stores. So let's take a look at the top 100 winning products for TikTok, where you'll find a variety of products along with their ads that you can incorporate into your dropshipping store. But let's circle back to the dashboard for a moment to highlight some of the new features introduced with Minea V2. Going over to the products tab, there's a new search filter labeled Is Dropshipping, which you can toggle on or off. Activating it filters the list to show only the products and ads relevant for dropshipping, helping you identify what you can sell in your store more efficiently. And there's something else I want to show you. Let's go ahead and select a random product and click on See More, detailed info about the product and its top ads. But the real game changer is the Generate for Shopify button. This feature utilizes Minea's AI to set up your product details and import them directly into Shopify, making the process super easy. And if you're aiming for uniqueness and don't want to sell the exact same product as someone else, Minea has thought of that too. If we scroll down to the magic search section, you'll see that it displays similar products to the one you're viewing, offering alternatives to launch your product quickly and easily. So guys, that was Minea V2, which is the platform that I used for product research. Now the next platform that I used after Minea was another platform called Zendrop. Zendrop is a similar platform, but it acts more as a supplier than a product research platform. And at the same time, it's kind of like an all-in-one tool for everything you need for dropshipping. Right now, I'm using a demo account to show you how everything works here without the risk of tampering with a real account. This is extremely useful because it gives us a clear view of how to efficiently run a dropshipping business. Everything from monitoring your orders and sales to managing costs and accessing important information for optimizing your store's operation. And today, I want to highlight Zendrop's product discovery feature. They offer a massive selection of millions of products, providing plenty of options to diversify your store's inventory, and adding products is super easy. Just a simple click on Add to My Products and you're all set. This feature greatly simplifies the search for successful products. Moreover, Zendrop provides search filters such as shipping origin, category, supplier, or price range to help you find exactly what suits your business and target market. Here's something interesting. Zendrop goes beyond just their catalog. If you've listed something on your Shopify store that Zendrop doesn't have, no worries. Just go to My Products, then Store Listings, and you can ask Zendrop to source it for you, and they'll handle it within 24 hours. Once orders start rolling in, Zendrop's auto-fulfillment feature becomes incredibly helpful, automating the order process so you can concentrate on expanding your business. And for those aiming to enhance their brand, Zendrop offers branding options allowing you to customize your products and packaging with your logos, titles, and messages, enriching the customer's unboxing experience and boosting your brand's credibility. And also, don't overlook the AliExpress import tool. If there's an AliExpress product you're fond of, simply use the link and it will be added to your store effortlessly. My favorite feature though has to be the trending products section. It's like having a magic window into what's currently trending, helping you stay one step ahead of the competition. Keep in mind, some of these amazing features, including the trending products, are exclusive to Zendrop Plus. Starting with Zendrop Plus gives you access to these advanced tools to help you elevate your dropshipping business. Plus, if you use my link below, you'll get 50% off your first month of Zendrop Plus. You'll also receive $200 for free in order credit, and they'll even include a free pre-built store loaded with top winning products. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. So after finding my winning product with Minea and sourcing it through Zendrop, I was curious to find out if any competitors were already selling my product through Shopify, and more importantly, if they were making thousands of dollars in profit. So I simply searched for Shopify stores that were selling the same item, copied their store URLs, and used a tool called ShopHunter. This This allowed me to peek into how much revenue they were generating daily from this specific product. It also made me realize the opportunity cost of not having this product in my store. ShopHunter revealed that on some days my competitors were making thousands of dollars in sales from one day, which indicates a high demand for the product and confirming people's willingness to buy it. This boosted my confidence seeing that others were successful with the same product that I planned to sell. Further, ShopHunter enabled me to examine the Shopify themes and apps that my competitors had integrated into their stores, and despite their website's mediocre design, they were still pulling in significant earning, which led me to believe that with a superior website, I could easily surpass my competition. I was convinced that with better marketing and sales strategies, I could outperform them, therefore paving the way for my success. For those interested in leveraging ShopHunter, I'll be including a link in the description along with Mania and Zendrop. I've been utilizing ShopHunter for some time now, and I firmly believe in the importance of understanding your competitors' performance and sales figures. So those were the three platforms that I used to find my winning product. We had Mania, Zendrop, and ShopHunter. You don't need to always use a paid method because there are also free methods of finding your winning product, which I go into on my channel. But that's the path that I chose to take, and I was still within my $100 budget. Alright, let's talk about getting your dropshipping store started, with the next step being setting up your website on Shopify. For those getting into dropshipping for the first time, Shopify stands out as an excellent choice. It's what I use for my stores, and it's particularly popular among beginners because of its user friendliness. You can have a basic site up and running within a few hours. Truth be told, setting up your website is probably the easiest part of launching a dropshipping business, so we won't spend too much time on it here. For those looking to add logos and banners to their website, Canva.com is my top pick. It's free, straightforward, and effective. Shopify makes the store building process super easy. You can start with one of their free themes like Dawn or Refresh to give your store a professional look with minimal work. For product images, a simple Google search of your product's name can give you plenty of options. And when it comes to creating engaging and clear product descriptions, ChatGPT is the best tool. Just provide it with detailed information about your product and it will help you create something ideal. Choosing a domain name on Shopify is also super easy thanks to their built-in tool. Just enter your desired store name to see if it's available. Securing your domain is affordable, and before you know it, your dropshipping site will be live. Plus, Shopify offers a trial for just $1 a month, which is a fantastic deal for beginners looking to start with minimal initial investment. I'll include a link to this offer below, so make sure to check it out. Now, if you're aiming to increase the revenue from each customer visiting your dropshipping store, consider upselling. Basically, this means offering additional products or services related to their initial purchase, possibly with a special discount on a second product post-purchase. This approach can significantly enhance your average order value, which is important for the profitability of your product. Shopify has many apps that promote upselling. I'm not promoting any particular one, but Upcart is one that I find quite effective. Just sharing my personal experience. However, it's important to note that not every upselling method aligns well with the typical dropshipping customer profile. Overloading them with pop-ups or email sign-up requests can significantly slow down the purchase process, which potentially can cause revenue loss. In my store, I avoid pre-purchase pop-ups to maintain a quick and easy sales process. One other app I've experimented with is One-Click Upsell. It has boosted my revenue, though occasionally the slower checkout process doesn't justify the additional income. The key is to implement upselling post-purchase without making the checkout process any longer. Always plan your business strategies to benefit your store's performance, rather than just following the latest trends on the Shopify App Store. Okay, you've got a winning product and your website is looking sharp. Now, let's get into the exciting part. How do you start getting views and making money on TikTok? I've launched several stores on TikTok and seen some significant income from it. I'm about to share some insider tips and secrets to help your store stand out. Believe it or not, it's easier than you might think. You can start by replicating popular TikToks related to your product. If a video is already a hit, just recreating it with higher quality and better lighting can do the trick. The goal is to capture those views. I've seen many dropshippers on TikTok trying to come up with entirely new content, but if it's not broken, why fix it? Replicating viral content is a proven way to boost your views on the platform. Don't fall into the trap of posting a few videos and hoping for the best. Dedication is very important. Aim to post at least 3 times a day. Even if you can only manage twice, the key is to stay consistent. Remember, viral success takes time and effort. Once you gain traction on TikTok, expand your reach to Instagram Reels and YouTube Short. They're basically TikTok but on different platforms. Just remember to remove those TikTok watermarks before posting elsewhere. Snaptik.com is a great tool for this because it makes sure that your videos stay crisp. Originality and consistency are your best bets for going viral, not just reusing someone else's videos. This approach has helped my stores consistently bring in over $10,000 a month. If a TikTok doesn't perform well, I don't stress over it. I just switch to another account and keep the content coming. The goal is to stay active and keep your content fresh. Make sure your videos don't come off as ads. Aim for content that's entertaining or even humorous related to your product. It's not complicated. Given that most of the TikTok audience is between 18 to 25 years old. Plan your content accordingly to grab their attention. Stay on top of trends, recreate those viral moments, and watch your store go crazy. And if you're serious about excelling in e-commerce, don't miss out on the inner circle. I created this platform knowing the challenges of making money online. For just $25, you get complete access to an exclusive platform that I created filled with over 12 courses on making money online. One highlight is the e-commerce dropshipping course, which is packed with detailed, actionable information. But it's not all about making money. There's also a section on fitness and diet because physical well-being is also as important as your financial success. This platform is your complete guide to boosting both your fitness and finances. So don't miss out. Check the link in the description to join the inner circle. I truly believe it could be a pivotal moment in your journey to become more healthy and make more money. This might be the opportunity you've been waiting for, so take a look. If you like this video, keep the momentum going and watch the next one, which should be on your screen right now.